Hey dudes, welcome. Look what just showed up. A week early. I was not expecting this. I'm like, what package? I have not ordered anything. And the iPhone 13, not the Pro, not the Mini, just the iPhone, brother, just showed up. Now, I'm using an iPhone 6S. That's what's recording this right now, a 6S. We're going 7 gens, baby, different. So let's do a little quick unboxing. I know all of you are either have a new phone, this phone, or this has been out for a while, so this isn't exciting for many of you. But you know what, damn it? When I spend more than a couple $100 on something, I'm gonna make a video of it, okay? So just put that in your bonnet. Let's flip over the camera and take a look at what this is all about. I'm kind of excited. Okay, let's take a look at this sucker. I know I still haven't taken off all of the data on my phone, so I'm gonna have to do that today. Okay, so check this out. First thing, peel off these little tabs. What do you know? Tabs, tab 1, tab 2. One of the things I've shared with you in the other video about the Apple Watch is this damn packaging. It is so good, the packaging. It's just, oh man, I can't tell you enough about the design. Oh my Lord. Dude, the boxes. I don't know. Look at how nice that box. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness, baby. Oh my goodness. Dude, that's my phone, bro. It's so expensive. These damn things are so freaking... This is more than a freaking laptop. Like a nice laptop. I'm excited. I didn't want to get the Pro. Now, this is what's a pisser. They give you this little piece of shit, right? Which is fine. I have like 1 million lightning cords. They don't give you a charger. Like, how much are you saving for not putting a charger in there, dude? Come on, you're killing me with that. And it's a... What? Why is it a USB-C to a lightning cord? It's not even a US... Oh, shit. Why do they do that? Oh, now I'm... What the frig? Kind of bullshit. What is this? Let's see what this is. Designed by Apple in California. I know, Cupertino. How do I open this damn thing? Am I supposed to? Hang on. Am I just gonna manhandle it? Oh. Oh, here's the little pin. Here's a sticker. I got my sticker. Got my little instructions. I got my little pin for my card. I don't know. Do I need to put a SIM card in this thing? So I think there's like an Apple. There's like a Verizon thing. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay, that's it. There you go. So how's them apples? I got a phone. I don't know if I need my Verizon thing. They give me this little guy to change the card or whatever. Let me look inside. Should we do that? Just curious. Is there already a Verizon thing in here? Oh yeah, there is. 5G Verizon. Okay, yeah. So we're already ready to go. I don't know if that's going to come in a different package or what. Okay, so I think we're ready to go. I better charge this bad boy. So there you go. Apple 13 unboxing. Beautiful design. There you go. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.